Let's create a diagonal diamond paper weave. This tutorial will focus on the basics using construction paper. As for skill level, I would recommend it for intermediate paper weavers. Supplies needed for this project are 2 pieces of 9 by 12 inch construction paper in different colors, scissors or a craft knife, glue stick or clear tape, ruler, and a pencil is optional. The first step is cutting each strip. Take the 9 by 12 inch construction paper. Use your ruler and pencil to mark 1/2 inch sections along both of the 12-inch sides. Connect these marks with a line and then cut along the lines to create your weaving strips. Each strip will be 1/2 inch by 12 inches in size. If you're comfortable with using a craft knife, it can make the process faster and more precise. Just remember to always use a cutting mat and follow basic safety precautions. Step 2. Connecting the strips. Pick up one strip of each color. Apply a small dot of glue to the very end of one strip or secure with a small piece of tape. In my experience, using tape tends to work better than glue for this project. Place the end of the other strip on top, creating a 90-degree angle, a perfect L shape. Repeat this process for all your remaining weaving strips. If using glue, let it dry completely before moving on. We are now going to start the diagonal diamond weave. Tape the very end of a connected pair of strips to a flat surface, such as a table or cutting mat. Make sure the long ends of both strips are facing towards you. Take a second connected pair of strips and place it directly next to the first one. The ends of the strip should overlap slightly where they meet. Now take a third pair of strips, place it next to the second, making sure it overlaps with the end of the strip next to it. As you place the third strip, begin the weaving process by using the classic over-under technique with the strips that are already laid out. Your taped down strips are a diagonal grid. You'll be weaving the new strips diagonally throughout them, alternating between going over and under the existing paper. Continue these steps, adding and weaving new strips until your weave is your desired length. After you have your desired length, you can use single strips to add height to your weave. As you do this, your weave will begin to take on a square or rectangle shape instead of a triangle. After you create your desired length, it is time to secure the weave. There is no need to flip it over. Cover the entire back with a layer of clear tape. This will hold all the strips securely in place. With the back taped, your weave is now stable enough to be cut into any shape you like. Use scissors or a craft knife to trim the weave into a square, a circle, or heart, or any other shape you may need. For more detailed instructions and photograph references, check out the tutorial on the Create Within Reach blog. Happy crafting!